my Mustang, yeah, my little GT. Like a P-51, baby, so beautiful speed. Cruising in the town, now taking it slow. Feeling like the ice in his 5.0. Taking her in for a low-level pass. Stretching her out, giving her gas. It's my Mustang, yeah, my little GT. Such a free sensation, baby. Well, take a ride with me. Let's take a full spin around the block. Hey, fourth gear. The 64 and a half was a sweet machine. My 94 Cobra was a low and mean. Now in my old 15, I'm getting my thrills like Steve McQueen, flying over the hill. It's my Mustang, well, my little GT. Like a P-51, baby, so beautiful speed. Yeah, my Mustang, well, my little GT. Such a sweet sensation, baby. Take a ride with me. My Mustang, well, my little GT, yeah. It's my modified Pony, the fall, and his pedal to the metal, keep it off the wall. Daryl's passing Marlin and Jeff just took the lead. He's burning up the track, but look out, here comes number 3. Moving to the inside, listen to that engine howl. Just moving on over, Jimmy on the prowl. Push it down, stand on it, put it on the floor. Roaring down the back stretch, blowing off their doors. Eating up the asphalt, chewing up the miles. They're bringing out the checkered flag, the crowd is going wild. Carolina country boys always find a way to win. Y'all way bye-bye, little Timothy's done it again. The man meant business when he got behind the wheel. Eye like an eagle, nerves made of steel. Speed is a bottom line, winning is the deal. Little wine, man, he's flying. Finish line, one more time.
Through the dust and the grime and the dirt and time, you see all the miles and years. The pain is faded, it barely made it, could bring a man to tears. The dents and the dings and the rusty rings hide what she used to be. She may be nothing but junk to you, but she sure looks good to me. The tires are flat, the suspension's jacked from the rough roads in her past. The motor's blown and the rods are thrown, but she used to be so fast. All the cracks in the pits and the windshield chips make it really hard to see. She may look a little rough to you, but she means the world to me. This tight horse may be broken, and you think her life is done. But me, I see so much more. One day I know she'll be restored, and partner, this old Mustang's gonna run. Oh, and someday this Mustang's gonna run. This ain't what she was created for, or what she was supposed to be. With some love and restoration, she will finally be free. Think her life is done, but me, I see so much more. One day I know she'll be restored, and partner, this old Mustang's gonna run. Oh, and someday this Mustang's gonna run. I'm withered and worn, tattered and torn from the miles and the years. My heart is jaded, my mind is faded, I've shed a lot of tears. Well, the scars and the pain and the guilt and shame show who I used to be. Well, I may look like a mess to you, but he still got plans for me. This tight horse may be broken, and you think my life is done, but in me he sees so much more. One day I know I'll be restored, and partner, this old Mustang's gonna run. Thank you.